In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add links to your TikTok. Okay, so to add any clickable link to your TikTok, you can do the following steps. But first, if you go ahead and tap on edit profile, you have the option to add an Instagram and a YouTube, and you can add a link to your bio, but that won't be clickable. So to create a clickable link, you need to go onto your profile by tapping on the me icon at the bottom right of the screen. Then tapping on the 3 vertical dots at the top of the screen. That will take you to your settings page, and then you want to tap on manage account. And then from here, you want to go ahead and say switch to pro account. Now you want to go ahead and select business, and then you want to tap on continue. And I'll just select food and beverage because that's what's my category. And then I'll select next. And now I have a business account. So if I tap on skip, and I go back to edit profile, you can see I now have a website section where I can go ahead and add any clickable link. So I'll just add youtube.com, tap on save at the top right. And if I go back, you can now see if I tap on that link in my bio, it takes me to youtube.com in the browser. So that is how you add a clickable link to your TikTok bio in 2021. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.